Welcome to Mastering the Art of Budgeting and Saving. This extensive guide serves as a cornerstone resource for young adults venturing into the intricate realm of personal finances. With financial literacy often neglected in conventional education systems, many young adults find themselves unprepared when making financial decisions. This video is tailored specifically for those in their 20s and 30s who may not have a profound understanding of financial management. We've meticulously compiled a thorough guide to fill those knowledge gaps, bestowing upon you the tools necessary constructing a secure and stable financial future. We firmly believe that everyone merits access to financial education. Money management is an attainable skill, and with the right tools and resources, the art of budgeting and saving can be mastered. This guide is your initial stepping stone in that direction. Our aim is to fortify you with the confidence to make informed financial decisions. We will delve into topics like budgeting basics, understanding credit and debt, the significance of saving and investing, retirement planning, and much more. We'll offer useful tips and strategies applicable to your daily life, aiding you in maximizing your income and setting achievable financial goals. Retirement may seem like a distant concept, especially for those in their 20s or 30s. However, the reality is, the sooner you start saving for retirement, the better. Compound interest works to your advantage, and even small amounts saved regularly can accumulate over time. We'll scrutinize various retirement saving options, such as 401ks and IRAs, providing practical advice on how to commence your journey. We'll help you comprehend the importance of starting early, how to select an appropriate retirement plan for your needs, and how to optimize your contributions. In addition to retirement planning, we will also delve into setting yourself up for a sturdy financial future. This encompasses understanding the importance of an emergency fund, the benefits of investing, how to manage your money efficiently, and tips on staying out of debt. You'll be guided on how to create a budget that aligns with your lifestyle, how to eliminate unnecessary expenses, and how to save money on everyday items. You'll unravel the secrets of making your money work for you, instead of the reverse. Grasping the art of managing your money effectively can bestow upon you financial independence and tranquility. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed decisions that will positively influence your financial situation. Remember, you're not alone on this journey, and with our assistance, you can master the art of budgeting and saving. As we commence this financial literacy voyage, bear in mind that success doesn't materialize overnight. It requires time, patience, and consistency. But with the right mindset and the tools offered in this guide, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial aspirations and securing a stable financial future. Remember, personal finance is indeed personal. There's no universal approach. What's effective for someone else may not be for you. But that's okay. This guide aims to provide you with a robust foundation upon which you can construct a financial plan that caters to your unique needs and goals. We envision this guide as a valuable tool as you traverse the world of personal finance. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to seize control of your financial future. We have faith in your potential to achieve financial success, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Financial literacy, in simple terms, is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. It's the foundation upon which you can build your financial future. Why is financial literacy crucial for millennials, you ask? Well, the economic landscape has dramatically changed over the years. The financial challenges faced by millennials are quite different from those of previous generations. Rising student debt, fluctuating economies, and the increasing cost of living make financial literacy more important than ever. It's not just about making money anymore. It's about knowing how to effectively manage it, grow it, and protect it. Financial literacy enables you to navigate through financial complexities with confidence and make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. Now let's break down some essential financial concepts. First up, budgeting. Think of a budget as a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals. It's a plan that outlines your income and expenses, allowing you to allocate your money most effectively. Next, saving. Saving is about putting aside a portion of your income regularly for future use. Whether it's for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or a dream vacation, saving gives you financial security and freedom. Then comes investing. Investing is the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor with the expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Lastly, retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Now that we have a basic understanding of what financial literacy entails, we can move on to practical tips and strategies to help you master these skills. Remember, knowledge is power, and your journey to financial success starts with understanding these fundamental concepts. Now it's time to dive into the practical side of things. First off, let's talk about the 50-30-20 budgeting method. This rule suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and the remaining 20% to savings or paying off debt. It's a simple and flexible approach to budgeting that can help you manage your money without feeling too restricted. Next, we have the zero-based budget. In this method, every dollar of your income is assigned a specific purpose until your income minus your expenses equals zero. This method requires a bit more effort, but it gives you a detailed overview of where every dollar is going, making it easier to identify areas where you can cut back. Another option is the envelope system. This is a cash-based budgeting method where you allocate a certain amount of cash for different categories of expenses in separate envelopes. Once the cash in an envelope is used up, you've reached your spending limit for that category. This method is great for visual learners and those who prefer a more tangible approach to budgeting. Now let's look at a scenario. Say you're a recent graduate earning $3,000 a month. Using the 50-30-20 rule, you'd allocate $1,500 for necessities like rent, utilities and groceries, $900 for wants like eating out or entertainment, and $600 towards savings or paying off student loans. Remember, these are just guidelines. It's essential to find a budgeting method that suits your lifestyle and financial goals. You might need to tweak these methods or even combine them to suit your needs. To wrap up, budgeting is an essential tool in your financial literacy toolkit. It's not about depriving yourself, but about understanding your financial situation and making informed decisions. With these budgeting tips, you can manage your finances better and move one step closer to your financial goals. Stay tuned for our next scene, where we'll discuss saving strategies and how to make your money work for you. Until then, keep mastering the art of budgeting and saving. Now that we've covered practical budgeting tips, let's talk about something equally important: saving for retirement. Yes, you heard it right. Even if retirement seems a long way off, starting to save early can make a significant impact on your financial future. Let's break it down. First, let's understand why starting early is crucial. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, the money you put away now will grow exponentially over the years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can add up over time, so don't underestimate the power of starting small and starting now. Next, let's explore different retirement saving options. One of the most common is a 401k. This is a retirement savings plan sponsored by employers that allows you to save and invest part of your paycheck before taxes are taken out. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure to take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money. Another excellent option is an individual retirement account, or IRA. There are two main types, traditional and Roth. In a traditional IRA, your contributions may be tax deductible, and you'll pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. In a Roth IRA, you pay taxes on contributions, but withdrawals in retirement are generally tax-free. Finally, consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. While these carry more risk, they also have the potential for higher returns over the long term. Always remember to do your research or consult a financial advisor before making major investment decisions. Remember, it's never too early to start saving for retirement. Even if it feels like a daunting task now, every little bit helps. And with the right plan and discipline, you'll be well on your way to a comfortable and secure retirement. So start today and let the magic of compound interest do the rest. Now that we've covered practical budgeting tips and the importance of saving for retirement, it's time to look further into the future. Yes, we're talking about setting up a strong financial future. This is crucial for your long-term financial health and prosperity. First, let's discuss the importance of having a financial plan. A financial plan is like a roadmap that guides you towards your financial goals. It includes everything from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for retirement. It's not something you set and forget. It's an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and adjustments. But don't worry, once you've got the hang of it, you'll find it's not as daunting as it sounds. Now, you might be wondering, how do you stick to this plan? Here are some tips. First, be realistic. Don't set goals that are too lofty or a budget that's too tight. This can lead to frustration and make you more likely to abandon your plan. Second, automate your savings. This removes the temptation to spend the money and ensures that you're consistently working towards your goals. Third, keep track of your progress. Regularly review your plan and adjust as necessary. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your setbacks. Finally, don't be afraid to seek help. Whether it's reading financial books, attending workshops, or consulting with a financial advisor, there's a wealth of resources available to help you on your journey. With these tips, you are now ready to master the art of budgeting and saving and set up for a strong financial future. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep aiming for that financially secure future. Thank you for watching our guide on mastering the art of budgeting and saving. We hope this guide has provided you with the tools and knowledge to set up a strong financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. This helps us to know that our content is beneficial and also helps others like you to find our videos. And if you want more financial tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll get notified every time we release a new video, so you won't miss out on any valuable insights. To ensure you're always in the know, make sure you hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be alerted every time we post a new video. Thanks again for watching. And remember, every step you take towards financial literacy is a step towards a secure future. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep aiming for that financially secure future.